Hi, this is Naresh Ramani, one of the explainers at infovault. In this video, I'll show you how to use your USB drive as a complete toolkit case. What if one USB drive could install Windows or any operating system, boot Kali Linux directly from the pendrive for cybersecurity, boot Tails operating system for complete privacy, or boot any live operating system you want? Reset forgotten Windows passwords using tools like Offline NT password editor or Hiren BootCD. Repair any PC and carry all your tools while still being usable for normal file storage. With this solution, you don't flash anything repeatedly. You just drop the tool you want on your pen drive and the rest is taken care of. Let me show you how to create this powerful USB. The solution I'm going to talk about is Ventoy. Ventoy is a tool that converts your USB drive into a multiboot USB, which allows you to carry any number of tools on it. It supports many file formats like ISO, WEM, VHD, VHDX, IMG, and more, making it future-proof, so you're not limited to ISO files alone. Preparing your USB drive. Launch your browser and visit your favorite search engine. Search for Ventoy and click on the official website that appears in the search results. Go to the download section. Once you are on the official Ventoy website, go to the download section. Download Ventoy. Download the latest version of Ventoy for Windows. After the download is complete, extract the zip file. Open the folder and launch the Ventoy to Disk tool. Select your USB drive. Make sure the correct pen drive is selected from the device list. MBR or GPT, which one should you choose? When installing Ventoy, you will see two options, MBR and GPT. Here is how to choose. Choose MBR if you want maximum compatibility. You want your USB to work on old and new computers. The system uses legacy BIOS. Choose GPT if your system uses UEFI mode. You have a modern laptop or desktop. Secure boot is enabled. Simple rule. If you are not sure, select MBR. If you want to learn the difference between MBR and GPT in detail, check the description box. I have dropped the link there. Secure boot support. Enable this only if you plan to boot your USB on systems where secure boot is turned on. If your system has secure boot disabled or if you are unsure, leave this off. Install Ventoy. Now click Install. This will format your USB drive, so make sure you have backed up your files. Once installation is complete, your USB is now Ventoy enabled. Just copy your ISO or other supported image files directly into the USB. No flashing needed, and Ventoy will detect them during boot. Booting from your Ventoy USB. After preparing your Ventoy USB, restart your computer. To boot from your USB, you need to enter the BIOS or UEFI setup. Shortcut keys to enter into your BIOS or UEFI setup vary depending on your computer's make, model, or manufacturer. For example, mine is F10. Yours might be F2 or F12 or Escape or delete or another key. In the BIOS or UEFI settings, look for boot order or boot menu or boot priority. Enable the option to boot from USB drive. If you installed Ventoy using GPT and your system requires it, you may also need to enable secure boot in the UEFI settings. So locate secure boot and enable it. Save the changes and restart. Your system will now boot from the Ventoy USB. Once Ventoy loads, it will show a menu containing all the ISO or image files you copied into your USB. Select the one you need and proceed with its setup and installation as you normally would. Tips for best experience. Use a super speed USB 3.1 or 3.1 plus pendrive. Organize your ISO or image files into folders. Windows, Linux, tools like that. Updating Ventoy will not delete your files. You can still use the USB for normal file storage. And that's it. Thanks a lot for watching. This is Naresh Ramani, one of the explainers, content creators, infographic explainer video designers at infovault, and the reason for the inception and execution of infovault. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it. And for more interesting content, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any of our future updates and content. Signing off, see you in the next one.